Okay, my name is Avery Tharp, and I've done my project on naval warfare. Naval warfare is combat on a body of water such as a lake, river, or ocean. Battles like these have been happening for thousands of years. In the 18th century, most U.S. naval ships had old sailing ships designed with um, with cannons being the primary weapon. There's a few pictures of the ship. It shows the cannons with the sails on it. Before 1900, the United States conducted many naval battles. The most notable ones are occurred during the Barbary War, the War of 1812, and the Civil War. But at the beginning of the 19th century, Navy ships began to change, and they adopted the design of steam. So many steam naval boats were becoming popular, and this would come bring the end to the wooden naval design. According to the U.S. Naval Institute, the U.S. Navy began expanding with construction of steel cruisers and destroyers. New ships had advanced weapons like the 12 by 85 caliber Land 2 Navy gun that fired a 390-kilogram shell. The guns were uh, the guns were put on side ships like U.S. Anti-aircraft guns put on the side of ships like the USS Texas. The new cruisers like the USS Newark had a 12 by 6 inch 152 millimeter Mark III guns. These guns would shoot a 2-inch shell. In 1907, President Teddy Roosevelt expanded the fleet by adding the Great White Fleet. This fleet traveled across the world, showing the United States' power and naval dominance. In the 19th century saw the U.S. Navy submarine saw the first U.S. Navy submarine called the USS Holland. Over time, the submarines in the United States advanced in technology. The Gato class submarines were mass-produced during World War II. Battleships also improved with during World War II. Ships like the USS Nevada, USS Tennessee, USS New Jersey, and USS New Mexico. These ships had improved guns with longer range, with improved anti-air guns, and improved lethality. The outcome of these changes are a stronger Navy with greater protection for its crew, with greater firepower to complete its mission. Thank you.